Yo, Teddy! How you doing, dude?
Good.
What are you doing here? Come here.
Hey.
High five. Holly and the star of the show, Ted, say,
Do you make
hey guys.
Do you,
Hey guys. Most muscular. So Holly has now flown over from the UK to join us to actually see Lewis on stage.
I know, it's been a few years.
Holly puts up with it all but never sees the end result because she's being a mum at home.
Yeah.
So this time it's worked out well. So it's gonna work really well.
When I was having some food on the airplane and I just late with the food.
Did you have food?
Fell asleep.
Yeah, lots of food.
Are you hungry?
Hungry?
Yeah.
Would you like some snacks?
Everybody likes
Let
snacks.
me get you some snacks.
Everybody loves snacks.
You're shut
On that note,
up.
we're gonna get something to eat. It is the final day of loading tomorrow. Friday, day before the show. We're gonna be up crack of dawn, well probably before the crack of dawn, get down to MI40, have a look to see how Lewis is looking literally before he drinks, eats. We've got a reference point then and we can manage literally meal by meal tomorrow going into show day. So peace.
Good.
Yeah, bro.
Go, brother.
Yeah, no diuretics, no nothing, just kept everything same. Water same, 10 litres. Fucking kids diet, and then woke up full. Woke up like 206.5 or something, so it's good weight, man. Nice
So the
weight.
reverse peak.
The reverse peak.
Not peaked on.
Yeah.
Lewis is
It's just vapes keeping me full, innit?
Yeah.
Keep
One vape a
puffing.
day.
Smoke comes at me and
smoking.
yeah, so gonna when you get time at 8, it like develops over time. It's good that time because I only have one cup, but it develops over time.
Yeah.
Really is very quick.
They use the mix or something because
Yeah.
dries and I've not got mine till 4 o'clock.
Mate, put fucking talcum powder on when you leave. So you don't go out all the clothes and that. I slept in my bed last night, used it, bed's wrecked in it.
Yeah.
Only a little bit. I got a 4-ton bill in fucking Portugal. I thought, and then I last packed me some bed sheets and I thought I don't even need them. It's like, not going nowhere, mate. So Lou will need 9 layers.
Oh, he will, yeah.
Ronso.
Just keep going.
Keep going.
How long we got?
Yeah, mate.
That's it. Hey guys, it is day 4 now in Tampa. Day 3 at the low, day before show day. It is 6:37. We've got up early, well, been getting up early, we've been getting up early. We've come to MI40 just to have a look at Lewis and some good light, which I can see, because the daylight's not coming through. Lewis doesn't see what he's been normally seeing, so it always sort of plays on your mind when you're not seeing what you want to see in the mirror, but rest assured he's in a very good spot. After 2 days heavy loading, we're sitting at a good weight, very good condition. Meal one's just going, we're going to go heavy in the first couple of meals, try and replicate what we're going to do tomorrow. Then gauge it meal by meal. I'm going to pull back a little bit, give some rest on the GI, prime him in essentially just for a heavy last meal, which will be 2 burgers, 2 fries, which works so well with him, sucks him in, and then he'll wake up on the money and then it's holding tomorrow. So all is good. We have the Barnsley Pitbull, Rob Taylor over there. He is moments away from going to the venue and getting on stage. We've got Nuts, Cal, Hannah, Hav, everybody's here. It's good. It's a good vibe. Excited for the day. So catch you in a bit. flexible coaching coach diet hack. Egg, brioche bread, steak. Go.
Really like that shot you now. Really like that shot.
Cool. Good. Very good. So good. We've got probably 26 hours. 26 hours to stage. And to be honest, like we could stand on stage now, but I know this could be better. We've got a very small percentage of water left to come off. We're already 4 litres deep pretty much today, and it's not even 11 o'clock. We will probably push 10 litres, I reckon. If you're like this now and you've had 20 litres in the last 2 days,
Yeah.
like we'll hit. If we hit 8.2, and then I'll trickle the rest in.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
With the food.
Yeah.
I just gauge it. That's in my head, that's what I'm thinking. Because of the fullness that you're carrying and you're fucking bone dry and you're just going to get drier.
Yeah.
Because tomorrow we're not going to be loading with water and it's just going to suck it and suck it and suck it.
Yeah.
If it was first thing in the morning, then
We'll drink constantly up till 2 and then we'll just like assess from there.
Yeah. But like I say, if you were first thing in the morning, then potentially I would. But with the timing of the show, we've still got 26 hours to drive out from here.
No time before lunch, is it?
Yeah. So Cal's got the list of the actual thing. So when he's at the park, he'll send it across to me. But mate,
Right, dude,
I'm going to the toy shop.
you're going to the toy shop, are you?
toy shop. Let's go buy some Spider-Man.
What are we building, Ted? Is it a Spider-Man car?
Yeah, it's a Miles Morales
Wow.
figure.
Let's have a look. Oh, whoa, he's so cool.
Gentlemen to the line.
Alright, you have to be serious now.
I have to, but sneezes.
Alright, move that across a bit then.
Ready, Dave?
Yeah.
First.
Most mustard.
Oh,
Ready, steady.
Right, do you want to do the first
And what
bit?
next?
Double boy.
That.
Yes.
What's that?
And last spread.
That spread. Well done.
So it is 2 o'clock just gone, and this is the time that we estimate Lewis to be on stage roughly tomorrow. And he could probably pretty much stand on stage now. The look is mad, crazy mad. It's just going to get even better. The decision potentially to pull water, which I had in my mind this morning, has changed. We will probably just replicate what we've done yesterday, but 10 litres in today. We are dry as a bone. Lewis is going to carry on building Lego with Ted, but I've just been blown away by that look. It's crazy. Ted, come here. High five. Does Daddy look good?
Let's do it again.
Fist bump.
Let's do it over.
Oh!
Dad, can I put my clothes
Put your
on?
clothes back
Oh,
on.
Dad, we're gonna have to do the car.
We'll have to finish the Lego, aren't we? Yeah.
Yeah. Is Miles gonna drive?
Oh, have you got the last one?
Yeah. Oh no. Mom, it's gonna be absolutely done. Is it this one, Dad?
Yeah, it is that one. Yeah, you're right. Look at that.
Wow.
Right, time to go shave. Daddy's got to get tanned.
Yeah, you really.
Are they coming?
Yeah, they're coming.
Yeah, though, like
Not, bro.
not condition, but just like.
Yeah, mate, just get full, so I went for Chick-fil-A, you know, afterwards. Try and fill a bit. Hello, little man.
Boy, Rob Taylor got 5th, bro.
My guy. I'm gonna win this one.
I'm colourblind.
Where's this colour? Oh my gosh, I don't know. Right, so colourblind, still being me. There it is.
The boy is brown. So we just come back from tanning. Just have a look. We're 4 meals in. As we planned, we're backing off a little bit today, so I expected a little bit of fullness just to drop off here. We're just going to spike up with a heavier meal now, and then back off with a lighter meal, and then go in really heavy tonight before we go to bed with the burger and fries. So yeah, it's all going to plan. Everyone's very, very tired. So we've got probably 3 meals left now, and then it's game time. So yeah, it's a good vibe. Everybody's happy. I'm extremely happy with the look. It's all going to plan, literally to a T. So we shall see from here. One more detail in your legs. Keep them on. Keep your legs on. Keep your legs on. That's it. Legs. Yeah. You need to do that. Fullness returned. More than
From the liquid flatness last meal.
and probably about another percentage dry. This is fucking incredible. I can see the cuts in your leg. Just relax there. See that?
Hey.
Yeah. You got these bits coming in here now. See that? What do you point out to Mitch?
Hey.
The lines that Mitch has got, you've got them now. Mate, this is nuts. It is 10 o'clock. We will be having burgers in about an hour. Yeah. Man's starving. 10,000 grams of carbs today, 10 litres of water. 6,000 calories so far. I'll probably put about 3,000 calories in with this meal. 2 double cheeseburgers, 2 large fries. And then it's night time. Wake up. We will be fuller, we will be drier. And then it's just about managing it going into the show. We got bikini, there's like 24 girls in bikini, and I think there's 11 girls in wellness, starting at 11:30. So we're guesstimating about 2 o'clock to be on stage. So we've just got to try and manage the look up until that point. But 2 o'clock today was a very good look. So if we can sort of try and mimic the food that we used, push a little bit more water in the morning, secure the fullness that we want, and by that point you should be literally skinless. So that's it. We'll see. It's game day tomorrow.
Goods. You've got enough. Yes.
Bad boys.
Yeah.
Burgers. They look good. Didn't know how big the fries were, so we ordered 6 just to be on the safe side. Last Supper.
The day is nearly over. Lewis is just about to finish off what is somewhat of a very impressive load, something that is truly beyond science in some ways. It's crazy. It's third day load in, probably 26,000 calories. We're probably touching 4,500 carbs, 30 plus litres of water. This baffles me how this man processes it. And the mad thing is, he's got drier and drier throughout the day. We're probably at our driest point now that I've seen him, which is the perfect position to be in. We will be up early. It's now 25 to midnight. We'll probably be up about 5 o'clock to assess. Lewis will relax, chill, hopefully get a few hours sleep. We'll see how the look is holding in the morning. We expect a little bit potentially of fullness to drop off, but we're sort of planning 3 good meals potentially. There's a game plan which can always be adjusted. Not going to be on stage till 1 o'clock-ish, I reckon. Yeah, about 1, so it's all time for that at the moment. Fingers crossed it doesn't go on too far after that, but we'll put a good amount of fluid in the morning, because it just drops off so quickly, and then it's just a matter of peaking for that moment and just showing it on stage. I cannot fucking wait. So I'm going to bed. See you tomorrow. Show day.
Look, I've never ever seen your glutes. I mean, the muscle's ridiculous that you gained, but your glutes are so more conditioned than they've ever been. It's hard to drop.
Never bad. Not as flat now. Speechless. This is the look.
Everybody passing about a week. Show days or something like that.
5 hours sleep for Lewis last night, and that is unheard of. And to be fair, like, quite a lot of that would be down to having that burger as well.
Yeah.
And being able to get rest and sleep and reducing cortisol, so key. So it's on. That's what I'm saying. Good morning, guys. It is show day. We are on money. It is a very, very good look this morning that I'm happy with. A little bit flatter than we've been at our fullest, but to be expected. Lewis slept for 5 hours, it's freaking amazing. Just putting first meal in now, which is going to be 200 grams of carbs, oats, raisins, jams, 30 grams of nut butter in there, a little bit of isolate just to mix it in. Getting a good amount of water in, he needs it. We'll chuck a litre in, see where that goes. Just about getting the timing right today. Okay, if we can hold this condition, fill him up a little bit, then we're golden. So just taking it step by step. Look every half hour, making sure everything's on the money. But it's good. It's a very good look. I did not sleep a wink. I'm super dehydrated, tired. But I love this. I'm gonna go shower, sort clients out, and then go get this man on stage.
Mom.
Yeah, it's because as soon as I cut back on the floor, water, I feel flat.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Which one is that?
Do you know which one? What Mummy just choose me?
Last meal going in
If I
before
wait,
we.
you can tell me what it is. It won't matter.
I know. I'm going to weigh him in a minute. Still won't tell him what his weight is because he'll just play with his head. He could be 150 kilos shredded and it will still fuck with his head. But yeah, no, it's, we're ready to rock. Another bagel going, another bagel going in. So that's done 200. It's 500 grams of carbs roughly this morning gone in. Just nearly a litre and a half of water. And yeah, it's time to go. So put my battery pack in yours rather than
Yes, guys, we're here at the Grand Hyatt. Okay, so the amateurs, it looks like the amateurs have just finished. So pros are due to start in just under an hour, 50 minutes. Lewis is sleeping again, which is good. The plan is to have a look at him in 20 minutes time, which will be 11 o'clock. Estimation, we're about 2.5 hours from stage, so this will probably be the sort of last bit of volumized food going in. Okay, the look is perfect at the moment. It's just a matter of keeping it topped up and really just driving out the last bit of condition, bringing that last bit of water out, and he's ready to rock. So yeah, let's get it.
What we drawing here, Ted?
We're drawing Spider-Man.
What's Daddy drawing?
Lizardman.
So just cool.
Hey guys, so we are done with prejudging. Bit of a funny one. Lewis came out, he was absolutely on the money, looked incredible. First row, unfortunately eyes are all directed towards the left hand of the stage, Lewis is on the far right. He then moved on stage, they called the next one out, cool first call out, he wasn't in the top four for the first call out. They compared Hunter and De La Rosa together, moved them off stage, leaving two guys, and pulled Lewis in, and then moved Lewis to the centre, with another guy, and it's looking like third or fourth, which is very good, very, very good. As our aim was top 5, so it's just disappointing when you do not get compared. It's just frustrating because we put everything into this, and Lewis was on the money and didn't get compared to the guys like De La Rosa or the other guy who got called into 4th. They all look fantastic, but it just didn't sort of pan out in the way that we had hoped it to. You know what I mean? We always go in for the win or as good as we can, and to be judged fairly. So we'll see. You know, we'll go back for the finals in a minute. Lewis is thinking a burger and fries, just to top him up, and then we'll go back and enjoy the finals. So we'll see you there. We have just come off stage, so pre-judging, as I said earlier, we thought that he slightly got overlooked, but man, it paid off. He fought his way out, got pulled out. Here he is.
Top 3, baby! Top 3! I'm gonna go get the real check.
Worked hard to put it in. Yeah, he looked phenomenal. Battle for it. Pulled him out next to John and Hunter. Gave him a good running through, and yeah, it's the result we wanted. So.